first thing you need to do is figure out what type of power steering fluid your car uses. Mine uses ATF fluid type F, so I went ahead and I got 2 quarts of it. And I also purchased some Lucas power steering stop leaks. So this is guaranteed to actually fix all of your leaks and get rid of whines. And if it doesn't work, you get your money back. So stay to the end of the video to see if I'm getting my money back or not. So first we need to remove the old power steering fluid from the system. There's a lot of ways you can do this. The most effective one is going to be to remove a line, take the serpentine belt off of your power steering pump, turn the wheels lock to lock. It'll push all of the fluid out. This vehicle has a power steering line cooler, so there's a good bit of fluid in the system. That sounds like a whole lot of work, so we are going to do it the easy way with a turkey baster. Alright, so I put a hose clamp on my turkey baster. It works a little bit better now. So that's the color of the fluid, not bright and red like it's supposed to be. So I'm going to drain this out as much as I can. So I got the fluid filled back up with the ATF. Gonna put the cap back on, gonna turn the car on. We're gonna turn it lock to lock a couple times, let that fluid start mixing in, and we're gonna repeat that process until the fluid is the color of the brand new stuff. Also, you wanna make sure when you're turning the wheel, you never turn it full lock to where you hear that awful noise happen. You never wanna do that when you're driving, backing in, or doing anything. It's bad for the pump. You especially don't wanna do it here. My recommendation is just really slowly find out where it is. Don't actually hit it. Remember where it is on the steering wheel, like at what angle, and then make sure you never do it again. Over the years, your power steering fluid will degrade due to the high heat and friction that it sees on a day-to-day basis. Installing new fluid will help reduce the amount of friction in the system and ultimately make your pump quieter. If you have leaks in your power steering system and you've ran your pump low on fluid for quite some time, it is possible that no matter how much you flush out the fluid, it will still be very loud as you have done irreversible damage to the pump. However, it's still worth a try before replacing the power steering pump itself. So this is about my 5th flush, just some tips I've learned. Turkey baster works a lot better if you press it here rather than squeezing the sides. It gets stuck sometimes. And so after this one, you can see that the ATF, so as you can see, we got some bright red ATF coming out of here. So on this last one, I'm gonna fill it up to the top with the Lucas product. We'll work that into the system, and then we'll inspect how our power steering pump sounds and see if we're getting our money back. This stuff is thick.